Good day, guys. It's your one and only BSLEX72. As you all know me, your mentor. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping the next video.
I mean, wouldn't you be happy? Wouldn't you be happy turning 1,000 rand to 27,000 rand in just less than 24 hours? It feels like a robbery from Money Heist. You feel me? Nah. Guys. So, I would like to say, please be grateful in everything you do. No matter what, please stay blessed. Please be grateful. Understand? Because you don't know what's next that's coming your way. You understand? I mean, 4 years ago, I was struggling. Here I am, 4 years later, making the cash. I mean, why not? Why not? You understand? Why not? I'm Denver from Money Heist. Nice to meet you. Okay, enough about jokes. Let's go to gold. You feel me? Let's go to gold. So, how did I get this entry? On the previous video, if you didn't watch the previous video, make sure you watch the previous video. You understand? And check the previous analysis. So in this case, I'll just cancel this point here. We had this for Thursday's candles low, and then what happened? The market came, rejected, closed above. That simply means, I don't want to go into details, you understand? I don't want to go into details, but that simply means we were supposed to expect the bullish momentum to the top side. You understand? I don't want to go into details because it will be unfair to my mentorship students. You understand? But then, yeah, what happened was, as I go to the 1 4 hour chart, I saw that on Friday we closed above, but then I was supposed to wait for a what? For a reversal. Where was the reversal supposed to take place? The reversal was supposed to take place where? Let me just fix it. Okay. The reversal was supposed to take place in this point here. This point that you see. Understand? And then I was supposed to get those buys. So what I had to do in this case, I had to go to the 45-minute chart, take the buys somewhere here, and then push the buys to the top side. And then around this time here, which was 4 o'clock, the market came again to my golden zone. Just taking the golden zone from this low here, to that high there. And then the market simply gave me an entry point somewhere there. After the market closed, I entered more trades. And guess what? Here we are today. This trade review is so simple, guys. Also, this trade was so simple for me to take it. You understand? I mean, if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And please make sure you stay tuned for more. And then, you know the vibes. Keep on subscribing. Click the links on my description for you to, get access to my Telegram, get access to my Instagram, get access to my WhatsApp. Text me anything you want. You understand? Everything is there for you. Previous videos are there for you. Everything is there for you. You understand? Don't forget, I'm Denver from Money Heist. Yo. Let's do a market breakdown. So what I will do here, I will simply mark, guys, these days. I just need to take this panel this side. Okay. Understand? Because my camera is that side, so it's hiding this panel. Okay, sure. So I have to take my low from this point here, and then I'll mark this low with a red color. I'll take my red there, and then what I will do, I will simply find my equilibrium. You feel me? You feel me? And then I'll simply mark that equilibrium there. And then I'll simply turn this into a 3px and then turn this into a blue color. And then what you actually see is I had a low here, guys. You understand? I had a low here. So I need to find out what happened here. I can actually see that this low was broken. In a bullish trend, a higher low is not supposed to be broken. We all know that. You understand? As a beginner, you know that. As an intermediate, you know that. You understand? Perfect. So since this higher low was broken, we are expecting a low, and it was actually formed there. You understand? What are we expecting? We are expecting the market to continue pushing and then drop. You understand? So what I can usually say to people when seeing something like this is that expect sells on Nasdaq. Sorry about that. Expect sells on German 30. You understand? So what I'm doing here is I will actually mark my previous week candles. You understand? I will simply mark my previous week candles. Guys, I wish you knew this information that I'm sharing. If you use it accordingly, sorry, it'll work. It'll work. It'll work. It'll work. It'll work. It'll work. You understand? And then, as I said, guys, we have to subscribe to the channel. You understand? The way I'm so committed to this, I wish people were like liking, commenting, you know, like stay like active, guys. Don't be like, I don't know. I need you guys to be like flexible with me. You understand? Like, just know I'm always there for you guys, but then don't take advantage. You understand? But just know that I'm always there for you. You understand? It's my subscribers. You understand? Just share the channel, do good things upon me. Understand? So I am done identifying my zones. I won't identify my zones there because it's useless. The market won't come there anytime soon. You understand? So I will just I'll just go to my daily. So in this case, I simply see that we had a low here. You understand? This low, it's a low which comes from this structure here. You understand? This bearish trend. And then I have a new low here. You understand? So what's gonna happen here is only one thing. We have to find a reversal point. You understand? We have to find a reversal point. So I will just go to the 4-hour and check. So in this case, what happened was I had this low here, had that high there, had this low here, had that high there, that low, that high, this low, that high, this low, that high, this low, you understand, that high, this low, you understand. Currently the market is there. So I can actually see this was my last high before I actually broke this low here. Understand? What I will do, I will delete this point, this path, this tool or zigzag, you understand, whatever we call it. And then this low here was broken and that high was responsible. So it's simple. What I will do is simply mark that high there and mark this low here. You understand? So I am expecting what? I am expecting the market to come to that point and then continue dropping. You understand? That's what I'm expecting for to happen. You understand? That's my anticipation. It's not my prediction, it's my anticipation. You understand? So what I am expecting, it's simply the market just coming to the golden zone. Once it gets to the golden zone, I am waiting for the market to continue dropping. You understand? As I said, this is not a financial advice or anything. It's just me providing what's necessary for me to provide for you guys that will help you. Understand? So let's find anything along this gap here I want to see something, understand? I want to find any candle that at least might support the golden zone. That might at least support the golden zone. Perfect. Perfect. Let's see. Okay, perfect. So there's only this candle here, but then it's fine. So I'm just expecting the market to come to this point, guys. Once the market comes to that point there, obviously my stop loss will just be on this point here. And then I'll just wait for the market to go where? To go down there. Understand? So let's go back to daily and check how long can it take, just to see how long can it take. I don't have any price range with me, so I will have to check it out. Let me just do this. Okay, now cool, because the laptop is that side. Okay, now cool, we just have to get the price range there, where the candle is for now to that point. Okay. No. Why is this not working? This is not the right tool. Which tool is the right one? Data. Oh, yo, it can take 6 days. 6 days. Nah, that's crazy. That's minimum though. It's a minimum 6 days. It doesn't mean it will actually take 6 days. Yo, but then yeah, that's what we were expecting. You understand? That's what we were expecting. But nah, they are lying to us, these people. How can it take 6 days? Nah, guys, I don't agree. Yeah, can take 1 day. Guys, it can actually take 1 day, 12 hours, understand? For it to reach there. So you just have to be patient. Around Wednesday, if the market keeps on buying, just know that the market will reverse there and then push down, understand? And also, what will happen is looking for Nasdaq, because on the previous video we spoke about Nasdaq. On the previous video we said something about Nasdaq selling. Oh, nice. This was the sell that we spoke about on Nasdaq. Let me just delete everything here. The sell that we spoke about, this was the sell that we said the market will take. But then what is confusing, on the weekly time frame, we didn't break this high here. No, we didn't break this low. I was waiting for the market to break that low. You see, we rejected there. And I said if we break the low, we will be coming to retest. Let me do this. Aye, man. What's going on? Okay, now cool. I said if we break that blue line there, we will be coming to retest there. You understand? We will be coming to retest there. But then we can actually see that we failed. Understand? We failed to break this line here. We failed to break the line there. We failed to break the line. But then it's cool though. It's your one and only. Peace like 72. As you mentor. Thank you.